Hi, I'm Jack Mannion. I come from Norway.
Hi Jeff, welcome. Jeff, what was on your mind before making a decision? Tell us your pros and cons, please.
I didn't have a lot of cons on it. My pros were the aesthetic value. To finally have teeth that I wasn't ashamed of. The smile again was a big important thing for me. It was very important for the job. So that's mainly. I don't have any real cons. There was nothing. I couldn't see any way worse than what I was. Anything worse than it, but it was.
I see. Thank you. What was your biggest fear of having a treatment abroad?
That would probably have to go down to the follow-up if there was any problems, if anything arose in the interim periods between visits, if anything happened, or afterwards when I was completely finished, exactly what would happen being so far away from the surgery. But you've managed to assuage those quite nicely.
Thank you. How did you organize this trip?
I did it myself. I organised the trip myself. I know you provide service for it, but I live so far north, I need connecting flights, that it was just easy for myself to make the arrangements and pick a hotel and do it all myself, really. And there was no real problem there. Very easy.
Fantastic. And why did you choose Sodc Savon Dental Care?
First of all, it came up as number one on the Google search, which is nice.
Yes.
But I looked into it a little further and read the online CVs of all the employees here, found them to be very good. I had no problems with that. Looked at the pictures, and I was very impressed by the surgeries. Number one and number two, they're not small rooms, so I took that as being a sign of quality as well. They're large, spacious, and I don't feel as though you're trying to push as many people in as possible.
Yes.
So that's a big plus.
Thank you. And would you recommend this experience as a holiday or as a dental treatment?
Yeah, it's definitely a holiday with a bit of dental thrown in there. It wasn't my idea it would be a holiday in the first place, but it's been so nice. I've had almost no pain afterwards, so I've been able to go out and enjoy myself and see the sights, have a coffee in a shop. You know, it's not been sit in my hotel room and just wait for the next visit. It's been ample time to call it a holiday and do a few different things. Yeah.
And how did you find Budapest transportation and the city itself?
The transportation I haven't really used. I like to walk. You see so much more when you walk. The architecture is fantastic. I've seen things that probably the people on the guided tours have never seen. And my feet have paid the price for it. But I've been in the 2 years now I've been coming here, and the years I will be coming, I'm sure I'll continue to find more and more that the city has to offer.
I can only agree with you. And what was your biggest surprise?
Dental-wise, it was how cheap it was. I was very surprised at the quality of the service at such a low price. It's not cheap, but comparatively to what I would expect to pay back home, it is a fraction of the price, and the quality is far better than what I could have expected to have back in Norway. So I'd say that, yeah, the price would have to be. And a lot of people as well.